Today is March 2nd, 2016.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
March is Women's History Month. Let's celebrate the contributions made by great, powerful women in the world. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist for female education and the youngest ever Nobel Prize laureate. She is mainly known for human rights advocacy for education and women's rights, where the local Taliban had many times banned girls from attending school.
The NJHS will have a general meeting on Monday, March 7th in room 206. See Ms. Mervine if you have any questions.
Entire month of March, Rob will participate in Pennies for Patients campaign. We will be participating in a fundraiser for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Each homeroom will receive a donation box. Students are asked to bring pennies to donate. The homeroom that collects the most pennies will win a Domino's pizza party. Teachers, please keep donation boxes in your room until the end of the month.
Are you interested in learning how to cook? Do you care about nutrition? Join Cooking Matters for 6 weeks beginning on March 8th. Register forms are available in the Community Outreach Office and must be turned in as soon as possible. Only the first 15 students will be accepted.
The Raw Video Club has a few openings for camera operators and interviewers. They meet Tuesdays from 2:45 to 4 p.m. in the library. No experience is needed, but you must be responsible. Please see Mrs. Gordon if you are interested.
Students, are you interested in after-school programs where you can do arts and crafts, cooking, games, basketball, and math? Well, join Just for Kids. It is held at the Church of the Mediator, located on 1620 West Turner Street. Stop by the Community Outreach Office today for a registration form.
Attention all students, do you need homework help or credit recovery? Interested in cooking, science, art, music, sports, or games? If so, join the 21st Century After School program. Permissions are available in the main office and outreach office. The program begins in a few weeks.
The Rob Yearbook is now available for pre-order. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Bolin in room 302.
Students, enter the Allentown Public Library Summer Reading Club. You can get an entry form from the Community Outreach Office and are due back by March 11th. Winners will be announced in April. The winning designs are printed and distributed to children in the Allentown and Salisbury school districts as a reminder to join the Summer Reading Club at the library.
Also, there's no after-school tutoring today. Have a great Rob Day.
Pause.
Ah.